Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat's best friends list. To know, sorry, to know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat's best friends list, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Snapchat and you will enter. Then in this page here you will go to click force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.